Right, we're going to just quickly style the navigation here, and I'm going to use the app.scss for this because it's globally, the navigation is used everywhere, so I'm just going to put it here. And I'm just going to do a real quick one, not too much. And I'm going to use the UL, of course, and here I just want to remove the buttons, not the buttons, the dots, I don't know what it's called, the list item stuff thingy. So I'm just going to write list style, and I'm going to write none. That's kind of what we want for this one. And the UL, I know that's the UL, the LI is inside the UL, so I'm just going to continue writing with nested. And in here we just want to have some padding for this. Padding, I'll actually wait with this so we can see what that does. But before, we just add display flex to our navigation. So instead of going vertical, we want the navigation to be horizontal instead. So let's click save up here. Woo! Now they're next to each other. That's prettier than the other one. And I kind of want to create space between the two navigations because right now it says home sub, and that could be one page. So in our list element, I'm just going to write padding. Let's give it 8 pixels, I don't know. Right? Ooh, look, a little bit better. Now it's easier to click the specific buttons. And I can also just continue. Do I want to add hover? Oop, I can't even write that code. Hover. And let's go background color. Let's do color blue. Oh, let's do some light blue. Oh, that's already what we have. Let's do something other than light coral. That's gonna be top pretty. So hovering over didn't work, but that's for us to fix. But we can continue actually styling this menu to seeing what we want. Sorry about the hover, didn't work, forgot to do it. But just continue adding things to style your navigation so it looks the way you want. But that's it. That's a lot of things, right? But that's what we need to do to create our navigation that works a little bit better or a little bit more into the desktop version of the PWA, the Progressive Web App, compared to the standard one that we have coming out of Ionic with the list. So whoop-de-doo if you made everything. Congratulations.